If you want to purchase apps quickly and securely on your iPhone, Apple Pay can make the checkout process simple. That's why in today's video, we are going to show you how to use Apple Pay to buy apps and digital content on your iPhone. But before purchasing apps, you'll need to have Apple Pay configured on your device. So open the Wallet app and verify that you have a valid debit card, credit card, or Apple Cash account added. If you haven't set up Apple Pay yet, tap the plus icon and follow the on-screen instructions to add a payment method. Once your card has been verified, you're ready to make the purchase. So, launch the Apple Store on your iPhone, browse through the available apps, or use the search bar to find the app you'd like to purchase. Tap on the app to open its details page and review its features, ratings, screenshots, and pricing information. Now, when you're ready to buy the app, tap the price button or the get button if the app offers in-app purchases. If Apple Pay is your default payment method for your Apple ID purchases, the transactions will be processed using your linked payment method. You may be prompted to authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode, so carefully review the purchase details before confirming. Now, authenticate the transaction when prompted. Your iPhone will securely verify your identity and process the payment through your Apple ID payment method. Once approved, the app will begin downloading automatically. This usually takes just a few seconds, depending on your internet connection. And of course, after the download is complete, tap Open to launch the app. You can also find the app on your home screen or in your app library. The purchase will be associated with your Apple ID, allowing you to download it again in the future without paying a second time if it's still available. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to use Apple Pay to buy apps on your iPhone. If you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next one.